Hi Zoidies, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid, where I like to talk, be cute, and be crafty and creative. And in today's video, I'm going to go wild. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm going to go wild. So I will be doing a go wild planner spread. Well, it's more of like a positivity spread, I guess, in my micro, because I've decided to use my micro happy planner as like a positivity pad. Like, at first I had my own positivity pad that I created, but it's some tweaks I need to work out. Okay, and I ain't got the ink and the paper to be printing over and over. So I'm gonna do what I do best, decorate stationery, and I'm going to put my positivity stuff in my micro happy planner. So I'm excited about that because I'm doing a go out positivity spread. I need to do a new planner lineup video, honestly, because when I tell you, why can't I damn decide what I want to do with my planners? Low-key though, it's coming together. It's coming together, okay? It is. So thinking about doing a new planner lineup video. I don't know yet. I actually have a little surprise, a little something cool that I think will be great in the lineup, but we're gonna talk about that later. Let's get to the spread, because y'all know my ass can talk. Y'all, first off, I can't believe I'm gonna go out, so I am gonna have so much fun doing this spread. Second off, I wasn't sure where to get go out stickers, so I just went on Etsy and here's what I found. So Amy Plans Things apparently makes go out stickers, and there may be others that make go out stingers. There may be others that make go out stickers, because I know they have a whole vendor thing, but this was good enough, you know. I think they were really cute, and they are digital downloads, so I did have to print them myself. But I think this will look really cute in the spread. And then I will be adding some other elements from other sticker books, you know, because it seemed like the color theme is blue, purple. So I want to hone in on that. Maybe a little bit of pink, or is that coral? I'm not sure, because, you know, everybody printer different. I don't even know what color this is. So let's go ahead and get going. I could not decide if I wanted to do blue paper or purple paper, but now that I'm looking at it, I think the purple will be really pretty. So we're gonna do purple. I almost forgot to bring my little cutting scoreboard thing over here. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and cut this paper up. So you already know, 3 by 4 inches. That's what we're going for in the micro. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that nice and cut. I'm gonna cut this ugly hole off. You know, I get it, they do it so you can hang your stuff up, but I don't know. It's just not needed. This is just unnecessary. Y'all, I almost forgot to mention, why y'all didn't tell me? I need to take the time to thank my members. Thank you, members, for being members and further supporting Plannerzoid. So you know I got to give y'all a shout out in the video right here down below. Thank you, members. Y'all are awesome. And if you want to join my membership, you can click it down below. It says join next to subscribe. But if you're like, I'm not ready to give you my coin yet, okay, fine. That's okay. You can always just click subscribe. That's free. I almost forgot to thank my members, so I'm glad I took the time to thank my members. Okay, the spread. There I go. There I go. You know what's so funny? My husband and I was having a talk about ADHD, and I'm gonna be honest. I have my days where I feel like, do I have that? Because when I'm doing things I love, like the focus is all over the place, okay? It really is. So if I'm all over the place in my videos, deal with it. Okay, I almost forgot to also mention my Soul Sister micro is in the shop because people really like the Soul Sister. She is soon going to come in other colors because people just really like this one. It's so adorable. And I also got the Rainbow Sky in the shop still. Y'all know what's crazy? Y'all know what's crazy. Okay, and then I'm done because I know I keep pivoting off. Y'all want to see the spread, but wait. Why did somebody order these? I forgot to take these out of the shop and somebody ordered these. While I'm happy, I'm shocked because I thought y'all didn't care about the Valentines. So it made me think, should I add my little snowflake ones back in? Like, these are cute. I just can't believe people bought them. I forgot to take them down. So I got some orders to work on, but I'm really excited. I just had to share, you know, I got me some micros in the shop. I got me some spring ones coming out soon. So stay tuned for that. I'm a one-woman show. It's a lot of work, please. I'm coming, okay? I'm coming. Y'all, I'm so all over the place today. It's not even funny. Okay, cut the paper. Let's start there. Maybe I should have waited to film this video because I am so all over the place. I'm like, what is going on? So yeah, we're gonna cut our paper 4 inches by 3 inches, okay? Wait, is this 3 inches? I might be lucky. We can make this work. But the paper is 6 by 6, so it should be 3 by 3 when you cut it or whatever. So here's our paper. Oh, where's the hole punch? I just seen it too. And then of course I gotta hole punch it. So what I like to use is the cinch disc punch. Honestly, this is the easiest way to punch your holes, really. And it punches through a lot of materials. That's why I like it. And I always just line it up with the tape. Yep, I got my little tape there. And now we got our pages punched for the micro. Yeah, this one, this ain't it. It's good for a sheet or two, but if you're trying to do stronger materials, like laminate paper and all that, this ain't gonna work. Anyways, I will be putting out a video soon because everyone's up in arms and they trying to make their own planners at this point. So now I gotta show y'all how to make a cover. A laminated cover. But anyways, that's later on. That's later on. There I go again. Okay, so I have my paper and I'm going to start with these stickers. And then over here, I just kind of wrote down because I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm calling it a micro wellness notebook or a positivity planner. I don't know which one yet. Both names sound good. But either way, I'm trying to figure out what I want to put in here. I know I want affirmations, gratitude, highlights of the day, mood. I did like a whole thing. If I could find my notebook, I will show you guys. But yeah, I've been on this whole positivity journey because at times, you know, I could be negative, I'll be real. So I decided to just pivot it somewhere else. Like I use my micro a lot. Well, I don't use it, I decorate it. I'll be real. I decorate my micro a lot. I think it'll be great to use for this. So let's put some fun stickers. That's cute. The ones I can't get over are these stamps. These stamps are really cute and these balloons. And I guess this llama, the whole thing really. Let's put this llama. This is so cute. I'm thinking about doing the race car, but I do want to do another spread in a different planner. So I will be doing another Go Out spread closer to the event. But I'm so excited. So look, okay, let's chat. This will be my first time going to Go Out. So like anybody who's been, be real with me. Like what I need to look for, okay? Like I want to know, do I need to bring extra bags? Is it going to be a lot of stuff there that I'm going to get? You know what I'm saying? Like, ooh. And then they're supposed to have like some kind of pajama party thing. It sounds fun, but I don't know, y'all. So I guess we're gonna see when we go. Them tickets they cost the ass, a leg, a kidney. They were not cheap. So hopefully it's worth the hype. You know, everyone really likes it. Of course, there were some people that was like overhyped, but I guess we're gonna see when I go. But I'm just excited for Go Out because this will be the perfect time to meet people that are like-minded in what I do. Like I usually go to conventions with my husband, which are fun to go to, but they're mostly catered towards his thing. So this will be the first time I'm going to something catered towards my thing and I get to meet a bunch of people who also like that thing. I'm so excited. Also, if y'all haven't seen it already, y'all, I'm putting out the planner tee. I'm being more consistent with the planner tee because first off, you guys really like it, but also there is a lot going on with these craft stores right now. So I have a lot to say, okay? I have a lot to say. So please check out my latest planner tee video. Joann's is really going through it right now. The workers, the company, everything. So just check out my playlist, y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna link it at the end. I don't know where I want to put this one. I feel like it's too much blue over there. Hold on. Maybe here, because this is kind of cute. This is cute. Maybe, yeah. And I'm gonna put this here. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to format this yet, but I do know I want to incorporate some kind of gratitude, maybe my mood or something. We'll start keeping track of the mood in there. I don't know where my mood stickers went, but they're somewhere in here. So I'll probably add that later. I want to also add a couple of flowers. Okay, my page came apart. Well, I want to add a couple of flowers. If I could get the flowers off. I mean, it's going to be time for me to take my nails off anyway, because I got orders to work on. And while I love my nails, these nails make it hard for me to create and make stuff. But I was cute. They did their little run. They did their big one. You know what I'm saying? My nails are cute. But I got work to do, y'all. And I do want to take the time to thank everyone who have been placing orders with my shop and everything. You know, I'm really excited to see the growth. I'm excited to see the growth of this channel. Like, I love my channel. It's so fun. You know, I haven't used any of these like corally pink. Let's use one or two maybe. I don't know where to put this. Oh my gosh. I don't know where to put this because I feel like maybe here. That's okay, yeah. Honestly, I'm just throwing stickers on the page at this point because I just have too many ideas. And a lot of times when I can't decide what I want to do with these stickers, they just go somewhere. And then I work around it. I don't know how I do it, but I do it. And I wanted to add some other little llamas, but Lord, let's see. Before I do that, I want to just add some other sticker elements. This is cute. We got some purple to do stickers, blue. Yeah, let's do that. Wait, why am I doing to do? Not to do. But I can do today. I like today. Because if I do to do, it's like a task. And it's not a task. We could just say today. That's cute. That's cute. We're going to layer this on like that. Okay. That's cute. Let's do... I wanted to do maybe one more stamp here. I'm looking at these stamps. So I got the llama. I think I like this one. I really like these flags. Do the flags mean something? Because it's in Indianapolis, so I wonder if that's what they represent. Because, you know, Dallas, when they had to go out, they had their own kind of thing. So, you know, I'm honestly not familiar with all these other places, okay? So I'm wondering, is Indianapolis known for like some race car kind of thing, you know? They might have racing stadiums. You know, I never got a chance to go to the Atlanta Motor Speedway. I wish I could have went because it actually looks really fun. I used to pass by it like all the time. I don't know if I want to add any more. Hold on. I want to, but let me see. Like I want to, but I just want to add other kind of stickers too. You know what I feel like we're missing? It would have been cute to put some kind of, let me see if I have that. Because actually, I did bring this over here just in case I wanted to use letters. Because I noticed that. I was like, dang, it would be cute to spell out go wild or something like that. Well, I don't have room. I might spell wild. So I think this book had letters in it. Oh, maybe it don't have letters. I lied. It don't have letters. Dang, I thought it did. I saw letters in a sticker book somewhere, but where did I see it at? Hold on. Oh, look, I got my affirmation stickers. We'll add that. Also got my mood stickers too. Found those, so we could probably squeeze it in there. But God, these are huge and I took up so much space. There's a sticker book that got letters in it and I want to use those letters. I think it was this one. Let's see. It was blue. Please be this one. It's looking like this one. Hold on. Yeah. Now I got to see if I had letters. Oh my gosh, please have the letters. Okay, I, L, D, W, cool. Let's spell out wild. That'll be fun. How do I want to do this though? Let's see. I'm trying to see, do I want to spell it across the page or put random letters? Both ways I think will look really cute. Let me see. Let's try, where's my tweezers? Oh, let's try it out. That's cute, right? That don't look weird because it's a different kind of blue. We're gonna try it. So there's W. Let's get I. Okay, wait a minute. We can make this work. Hold on. Right. And then maybe we could put LD. Hold on. Where's L? L. And then we gotta put D. Let's see. Okay, isn't that cute? Please tell me that's cute. I think that's cute. I actually like how I added the letters. Can I fit go on there somewhere? Can we fit go? If we could fit go, I'm happy with this spread, and I'll just add cute little embellishments and stop overthinking. Let me see if I can add go. We got G. Ooh. We're gonna get it. I mean, it could go there. I kind of don't like it there. We'll put it here. Yeah. And I might put the O there too. Why not? Like this. That's kind of cute. Now, the other way was to have it over here, but it might be better to have it this way now. I'm going to add my affirmation sticker, even though I just don't have room for stuff anymore. Because of me. That's my fault. We're going to put the affirmation here. I think that'll be cute. And honestly, I don't know if I wanted to cover 1 day or 2 days. Because when I did my micro, both pages covered 1 day. But I think I'm going to do 2 pages. So I need to add the numbers on there, wherever. Please tell me these are the numbers I use. Let me see. No. I mean, I could use these numbers, I guess. These are some numbers that I created. I don't have this size in my shop, but I do have this in my shop. They're just a larger size, which can still be used, of course. I feel like I gotta catch up on planner spreads. I'm like behind. I'm going to put this for today's date, even though this video is going to go out later. I'm still going to go ahead and put it for today's date so I can know where I'm at with catching up with planner spreads. This looks really cute, y'all. Tell me how you like it. Don't y'all lie to me now. This is adorable. I'm in love. And I am so excited for Go Wild. And if anyone is going to go out, I want to know so I can know what Zoidies to look for. Who is going to go out? Which of my Zoidies is going to be at Go Out? I would love to know. Okay, this looks good. I think this is enough. Knowing me, I'm probably going to come back later and add my own embellishments because that's what I do. But this is a start. I like the spread. I think it's pretty. I can't wait to take planner pictures in my shot box and post it on Instagram. Aw, look how cute it is. My baby. My baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This spread was so adorable. Look at my little baby. My little Go Wild. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next planner tea, craft, or planner spread video. I don't know what I'm doing, but stay tuned.